Neko happens to be my ex-fiance, Gully Bob. Gully Bob's love is a love beyond intercourse and pleasure.
This is the first time I see myself on television.
Not too sure what's going on, but the song is getting a lot of vocals. She said it's not made for Grammy. Oh, wow, okay, girl. I'm finally holding the.
Me number 2 in Jamaica?
Yeah. Fun intense.
Who name Intense?
TV.
So me number 2.
Yeah.
A lie. Amari number 2 in Jamaica. How will the bombers, Lord Jesus? Everybody shout. Rocket. Oh my God. Yeah, me never seen us so excited. Hold on. Turn it on, look. At first, I see myself on TV. Oh my God! I want that damn chart.
No,
Intense. Just like
What is so?
That's program, and then the 5 top news.
So me a number 2.
Yeah, for intense.
Pussy all move over. Oh my God! It's a different feeling when you see it, you know. Colin, shout! Everybody just shout! Oh my God! Thank you, Intense. I saw me say it. Intense, thank you. I saw myself on TV for the first time. Oh, the people! Oh my God! Thank you! Thank you all so much. Oh my God, I love you guys so much. Oh my God. It's a different feeling. I just say Amari go so. Bam, bam, Neko, Rasta, David. I just say Amari go so. Bam, bang, and turn my back on the wall. You remember when I walked through the rock? Me never knew I say you dancer. And Neko, blood clot.
Baby. Alright.
Yeah. Baby, give me suppose me come. Me say as me turn on the TV. Me dizzy. Thank you. Thank you all for voting for me. Making me number 2 in Jamaica on Intense. And for allowing me. The last time I saw myself on TV was you know, you do interviews but you never see there and then. The last time I saw myself on TV, I was 17 years old. No, 15. And 17. And Needing You. And they were playing Needing You on the TV all the time. And to think that 34 years later, I'm seeing myself on TV. Oh my God. Thank you guys. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm going to dedicate a song to you. Thank you for loving me. I know that whatever, I'm going to dedicate it to you. I have it. You know, I just need to voice it. And I have the beat and everything. I should come out with that by tomorrow. Thank you for loving me. I know that we belong. So much better. Thank you. And tomorrow we have to put out thank you. Babe, what my shoes, honey? I didn't want to tell your friends. I didn't want to wear like a blue flip-flop. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys. I got to go though. I got to catch the restaurant because they close early. Oh my God. You guys are the best. I can't believe. And then a voice said, this is just the beginning. I gotta go, okay? Because, you know, I have to catch a restaurant. But thank you, Intense. And thank you, my fans. I love you, my friends. Thank you. I love you so much. Mwah! Oh, my God.
Every girl want Neko. Every girl ask for Neko.